The ember in the rain. Elara clutched Leo's faded photo, the rain outside mirroring the storm within. A year since his accident, and she, a brilliant architect, was just a shell. Then a scream cut through the downpour. Fire! Help! Mrs. Gable's voice desperate. Elara froze. Her first instinct was to hide, to retreat into the numb cocoon of grief. I can't even help myself, a voice whispered. But then an echo of Leo, always the helper. What would Leo do? She ran. Smoke billowed from Mrs. Gable's house. My cat! Whiskers! Fear clawed at Elara, but a deeper resolve ignited. She plunged into the inferno, crawling low, lungs burning. Every instinct screamed to turn back, but then she saw them, two tiny, terrified eyes. Coughing, tears streaming, she grabbed Whiskers and stumbled out just as the roof collapsed behind her. Handing the cat to a sobbing Mrs. Gable, Elara felt something crack inside her. The numbness began to splinter. She wasn't broken, she had acted. She had helped. As dawn broke, so did Elara's internal storm. The grief remained, but a tiny spark of self-realization glowed. She hadn't saved a life, not in the grand sense, but she had saved a cat, and in doing so, she had begun to save herself. The blueprints of her life, once scattered, were ready to be redrawn, not in despair, but with a quiet courage found in the heart of the storm.